So today I'm going to be doing a DIY video. I am going to be showing you how to make I'll say an organizer crate cart, bar cart. You can use it for many things. It's gorgeous and I can't wait to show you how to make it. So if you're interested to watch the rest of the video, grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's do this DIY video. Let's go. You would need 9 of these. I got them at Dollar Tree. You'd also need zip ties to apply them with. They're very, very hard to work with, so I'm just letting you know ahead of time. I lost a lot of footage of me putting them together, but you'll see later on in the video. You'd need this spray can. I got it from Lowe's, Rust-Oleum. It's a really good spray paint, very metallic, just like the lid looks like. I used the whole can, so you probably would need the whole can because I used pretty much all of it. There's very little that remains. Now, I got 4 of these wheels from Amazon. I didn't end up using them in the end, as you will see in the video. But if you know how to screw on wheels, this will make this project even more better. I tried to glue them and it didn't work out. So you'll see that later on in the video. They are $4.99 each. But also, you would need this Gorilla Glue. I got it from Lowe's. I filmed the whole process of doing this, putting this together, but somehow my memory wiped everything out. So I'm going to quickly go over this right now to give an idea of everything I did, and I may add clips in. I would possibly add a clip showing you the process of how to do it. So what I did, I first glued this down using Gorilla Glue. As you can see, I glued these bits together, and then I glued all of these together. And then what I did is and all of this is from Dollar Tree. So what I did is I used a, what's these called? I used a zip ties, I don't know why my mind went blank, to put this together on all the parts that need to be joined together really tight. I tried to avoid in here because we're going to need, like, this is going to be showing, but I glued, like, I used zip ties to hold all these pieces together, basically because the glue is good, it's strong, but you want a really, really strong bond. And now, as you can see, this is really sturdy. So I'm going to include clips on how I did it. It's really sad that I lost the footage because it's really important, but I'm going to show you the glue that I used. I'm going to add a clip showing the glue that I used to attach these pieces together like this, and then I'm going to show you the process of putting the zip ties, how to attach a zip tie. And I got my zip tie from Dollar Tree. So I just want to let you know because it's really sad that I lost that footage, but at least you know how I did it. This down, the organizer, and I'm now going to spray paint it. I'm going to be using Rust-Oleum. This is the spray paint I'm going to be using to spray paint it. And you can get this from Lowe's or Home Depot or even on Amazon. It just depends. And this is really good, so I'm going to give it a few coats. And I put 2 cardboard boxes from Dollar Tree behind it because I might use it as the backing. We don't know yet. Lowe's, and I'm gonna get mirrors cut, so I decided to take you with me so you can see the process. So here is the project. I spray painted it, it's dried, so this is like a day later, and I'm going to Lowe's to get mirrors cut, as I just said. So I'm taking you with me, so go inside. You know, one thing I really hate, but I have to take it to get it measured. I mean, I could have just measured it, but I want it accurate, like they lay it across. One thing I hate about going to Lowe's is people like staring with my projects. I hate taking my project because people like staring at what I'm making and I don't like it. It makes me uneasy. So I'll see you tolls when I get inside Lowe's. I wish there was a way I can cover it, but it'll draw more attention, I guess. So let's go. See you tolls inside. And is it one big piece or is it your biggest piece?
So the biggest piece I'm gonna have, let me see what I've actually got installed. Can't answer something.
This was meant to be the original idea, but I had issues with this project all the way through. You're about to see. I didn't film inside too much because I was busy having a conversation with one of the workers, and here it is. I got a piece cut, 3 pieces cut. I got them for free because they were like leftover pieces. I wanted to tell you that if you go there, you might get leftover pieces which you can get for free, but if you don't, you will have to pay $17 for the mirrors. So fingers crossed you go there and you get leftover pieces. So all I need is 3 pieces for all of this. I'm going to take it home now and work on the rest of this project. So let's go. Completely disregard this part. I decided to put this clip in because I wanted to show you where I failed or what didn't work, just so you're not confused through the video. So I initially wanted the design to be like this, the glass to just be on top and the side to be marbles, and this is the glass that I got cut at Lowe's. And basically what happened was these Dollar Tree crates, they are not all accurate in size, and it just was not holding the glass. It was not sticking at all. No matter what I did, it just was not working. And this is a very straight glass, and that's a very rigid textured crate, so it did not work. So I wanted to include this just so if you see me doing, like if you saw this at the beginning, you're not confused why I X'd this out of the project. As you can see, the little place where the glass meets the crate, it was very bent and wobbly, and it just wasn't taking it. And look, it comes off easily. The glue was just coming off easily. Excuse my hair, it was very messy. It was late at night, so just adding that in there. So this didn't work out, but this would have been my initial design. As you can see, the glass is just, the mirrors are not working with the crate. It's just not going together. But this is what I would have done. I would have put these cans on top to hold it down. Let me tell you, it did not hold anything down. The mirror came off very easily. I'm doing this the bootleg way. I'm not good with measurements, so all I did was I traced, basically, you know, as I put this on the board to spray paint, I traced the little parts the paint like touched, and I traced it to measure basically what the our need for the marble, and all I did is just cut it out. I'm too bootleg. I'm really bad with measurements. This is the only way I could do this. So I have my fake tiles, and basically what I'm going to do is put them on this marble paper, which I got from Amazon, and I will put the links down below to the exact one I got. So basically I traced it. You want to trace a little bit more so you can fold it around, which is what I didn't do. I made a mistake and I corrected it. So you want to trace like a little bit more, like a few inches more. As you can see, I'm doing it messy. I'm not, you know, doing it the bootleg way, but it works, I promise you, in the end. But you just want to add a few more inches so it can wrap around the fake tile. And as you can see, I'm cutting it out and I'm going to try and wrap it around. Obviously I need more to cover the whole thing, so you want to add more. Trim up your edges and make sure everything is good and clean, so it actually looks like a marble tile. So basically, again, I'm doing it the bootleg way. So what I did is I traced the sides of the crate, and I'm just cutting out the foam board, which I got from Dollar Tree. I think they're 52 cents or something like that. They're very cheap for each one. And I'm basically tracing that out because I'm going to put some marble paper over it, and I got my marble paper for $10, I believe it's $10 at Amazon, on Amazon. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm using it now. So as you can see, I added like a good 2 inches or whatever. I don't know how to measure good stuff really good, so I'm just talking. I eyeball everything, and I'm basically covering it with the marble paper, which when you cover it, it looks like it's real marble. It's actually really good quality. So I applied a lot of glue to the side because these crates are really, really hard to stick anything to. And I'm now going to put some cans that I'm not using on top to secure it and leave it like that for maybe like 3 hours. So this part is very important. This is where the design changed. I got 4x6 picture frames from Dollar Tree because I told you the glass was not going to work on top. So what I took was I cut that glass down again into some small pieces that fit into that frame at Lowe's again, and I just put the mirrors into the frame. So I took off a picture frame edge from a different frame from Dollar Tree and glued it to the sides to cover. I attempted to use these gorgeous wheels that I got from Amazon that were super cheap. They're like $4. Epic fail. I tried to glue them. It did not. When I finally wheeled them, they all fell off. So I advise using the screw. This is the final part of the project, is putting the fake tiles in. I'll be using the same Gorilla Glue. As you can see, my natural hair, I'm wearing my natural hair for this. It was a mess. I had no makeup on. This was like literally a night time, so I was so tired. I just did not care. So my hair has changed so much times during this one DIY. It's been split up like 4 or 5 days, maybe a week. I've been working on this off and on. So that's what I'm doing right now, is just gluing these tiles in and putting the cans on top to glue it. It's gonna... Aww. And here's after. Came out perfect. So I decided not to add the wheels in because it was just not working out. I didn't screw it and I glued it, and that was what the problem was. I guess it doesn't take glue, but it came out perfect. Oh my god, I love it so much. Here's how it came out. And now I'm going to accessorize it so you can see it accessorized, but it's so pretty. I love it. Oh! And here's the side of it. I love it. Accessories I have to accessorize it. I'm going to put them on top. By the way, if you're wondering where we are, we're on top of a lake. There's a whole lake down there. That's why we have like those birds making noise. So we're on top of a building actually. So I'm going to put some gold in here. Let's see. The Chanel book for sure is going inside. Well, oh, we can't do the Chanel book. It would look weird on top, wouldn't it? I'll probably see last minute. Maybe down here, I don't know. This is not going to fit inside. Ooh, I wish this was a shorter book as well. Oh, so annoying. Okay, but the telephone's for sure going inside. So bomb, so bomb. Look at this. Oh my goodness. And then we need one of these, maybe down here. Oh, these are short. Didn't even know. I wish this can fit in. So FYI, these are really short. Barely anything can fit inside. Put this on top or down here. This candle right here, and then maybe one of these can go. Nope, it's probably gonna have to go on top like this. So yeah, I think that's all we can do because we can't get away with much. Oh, it's gonna fall forward, I feel like. Okay. Oh, how gorgeous is this, dolls? Oh my goodness, dolls, it's like perfect. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. I really want to squeeze these in there like this frame. I love this. It says press for Chanel. I feel this will look so much nicer than this, so I'm going to take this off and put this here and then place this here. There we go. And then put this here. Oh my goodness, yes, what a mood. I love it. It's so beautiful. How gorgeous is this, dolls? Wow, I did that. So this video, as usual, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Let me know if you like how this project turns out, and if you're going to be making this project, let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Share this video, share. It helps my channel out so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.